What'd you get? What'd you get?
Box. Bubble wrap.
Wow.
This one right.
Sweet.
Oh my gosh. What is that?
I knew I was going to get more. Because I either get them from Santa or from somebody else at each house.
What do you say?
Thanks.
So the garbage goes in the garbage there.
Where's the pig? Oh, Grandma and Grandpa are. Thanks, Grandma and
Double
Grandpa.
bag.
What's that?
For tools.
Oh yeah, shop pieces. Put my jumper cables, my tools in here.
There you go.
They fit pretty good. Yeah, it's nice.